answer key, that the only answer should be here is this. There's never a time where both have the same amount of water. So this answer should not be there, like I thought. The answer, therefore, because there's no time, because the line is parallel to each other, lines are parallel with each other because the slope are the same. You need to explain that. Forgot to put that. Are the same for this one. Okay. And this one, there's never a time with both. The answer you need to put in here is no solution, because there's never a time where they meet. Okay? All means the same. Okay, the next problem. Elko is draining both tanks. She's also filling a 250-gallon tank. The water, she's filling it in, so it's a plus. The water fill at a rate of this many gallons per hour. Write an equation that gives the total amount of water in gallons to the third tank, Y. So after this many hours that the tank is filling. Okay, so this one is a tough one because this 250 is really important because it can't surpass that. Okay, so, but you're filling in the tank at 25 gallons per hour because you're filling it in. It's a positive. And then that equals to how many is in the tank. So that 250 becomes, it's important probably when you say Y has to be less than 250 though. Less than or equal to 250. You need to state the range, what can be. So you need to state that it can't be more than that because after 250 it spills over. But your main graph is graphing this one. Because each time it's 25, and then now it's 50, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and then it stops at 250. So how much water is in the tank depending on how many hours. So is the graph of the equation parallel, perpendicular, or neither? Okay, so to the first tank. Well, let's look at the first tank. The first tank is, equation is 75 minus 25x, or negative 25x plus 175. That's what y equals. In this case, y, this is the first tank. This is the third tank. The third tank is 25 gallons per hour. Okay? So is this parallel or perpendicular? It is neither. It's neither. Because the slope is not opposite. It is opposite, but it needs to be and reciprocal. Reciprocal. Okay, to be perpendicular. The slope is not the same. To be parallel. Okay. And that's it. No, I should have just finished it. I wanted to check the answer. I didn't realize we were at the end.